How to donate to a Roblox group. So the first thing that you need to do is here, load up Roblox, click on the create button. Now from the left hand side, view as, we want to select a group. So you will need to have some sort of item or creation that you are gonna sell in the group so people can buy it, and that's how you donate. So go into creations here from the left hand side, then click on avatar items, go into classics, and here you can just create a t-shirt like I have created. So just click on upload asset. Now, like I said, make sure you are viewing this as the group. Click on upload. Here you can select any image, and then this is going to be the name. You can change it, and we'll just click on upload. Now, once we have created the t-shirt, what we're going to do is we're going to left click on it. Then here we need to toggle this on sale, and this is the price. So the price we can set 7, for example, and you will receive 70%. So the group is going to receive 70% of the bought item value. So here, if you click on publish, it's going to show us that it costs 10 Robux. And if you put it on sale, this will appear in your, in your Roblox group. So if you want to donate, once we have created the item, I'm just going to go back into Roblox. So if you want to donate to your group, you will click on the menu icon here in the top left. We'll go into groups here, then we'll go into the group, and if you have toggled this on for sale, it should appear under store. So as you can see, I have these two that I have previously created, so group t-shirt, group funds. So what we have to do is we have to click on them. If you have it in your inventory, we want to delete this from our inventory like this, and now we'll be able to buy it with our account. So if you click on buy, then it will be bought for 3 Robux in this case. So if you click on buy now, then if we go back to our groups here, I'll show you how it works. So this is my group, and I'm going to click on configure. Here in the revenue tab, you will see all of your sales. So I've previously bought one of my items like this, and it's gonna send to Roblox to my group, and essentially I will have donated. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.